2023 PEA question number 6. Consider a market demand function where P is equal to 100 minus Q, where P is the market price and Q is the aggregate demand. There are two firms, 1 and 2, with identical costs. Now the cost function is very, very interesting. The cost is equal to 0 if Q is less than equal to 10. It is infinity otherwise. So basically that gives us Q1 and Q2 both have to be less than equal to 10. They will obviously not go beyond the quantity of 10 because the cost becomes infinity in that case, right? So this has to be kept in mind. The firms simultaneously announce their prices P1 and P2. The demand is this. Okay. So let's make a table where I have Q1, I have Q2, I have P1 and I have P2. Okay. Now, the demand coming from firm I is what? Now, in the Bertrand-Nash equilibrium, basically the two firms will keep on undercutting each other, right? And ultimately, they will not go beyond 10. Both will supply maximum 10, right? So they will not go below a price. Like for example, if the price was 99 and this price was 98, okay, then this person will get the entire market and the quantity will be 2. Undercutting will happen, then again undercutting will happen. So the undercutting will carry on, and if they have the same prices, what will happen ultimately is that both will have the same price. Now if both have the same price, this is what I get. The demand is equal to 100 minus P by 2 for each firm. Okay. So this is the firm, this is the demand for firm 1, this is the demand for firm 2 as well. Now, therefore, I can basically equate, and Q1 is equal to 10. Undercutting will happen till the quantity supplied is maximum 10. So 100 now if undercutting happens below 80, the quantity of either firm will go beyond 10. Because you can see that if P is equal to below 80, the entire output, that's capital Q, which is Q1 plus Q2, the entire output becomes 100 minus P, which is greater than 20. And as soon as it goes beyond 20, this will basically mean either Q1 or Q2, one of the two will be greater than 10. Now, this is not possible because as soon as the quantity is greater than 10, the cost goes to infinity, which is not possible, right? So the undercutting will stop at 80. Both the firms will charge a price equal to 80. And what is the profit of both the firms? The profit will be price multiplied by quantity minus cost. So this is the profit that both firms are enjoying. So this is a unique Bertrand equilibrium where both the firms are enjoying a profit, right? This is happening because of the quantity constraint in the cost function. There is a quantity constraint in the cost function. Maximum quantity can be 10, right? So here, therefore, P1 is equal to P2 is equal to 80. This will be your answer.